it becomes so tough at times to just wake up, uh, brush your teeth, take a bath. And at times, if exam for example, it's delayed by 10, I will spend my whole day wondering and taking it as the most crucial task in my life, and I will not be able to move my body for anything else until I get this done. And this becomes so much heavy in my brain, even though it's not. Vision board is mandatorily for people like us who struggle to make up to the daily routines, do the everyday tasks. The other beings who are living more in dreams than the reality. This is for you. The vision board is for you guys. And if you struggle to complete daily tasks, or you find it difficult to fall in a discipline, then definitely this is gonna be a kick, a motivation, an external motivation which hits directly internally. So as promised, I will be sharing my vision board for 2026 with you all today. Why am I doing this? This is supposed to be a very personal thing, right? I will suggest that if you want to keep it personal, then keep it personal. Or if you want to share it here on this channel with me, you please go ahead. Why? Because Johari window, the open self, has to be the biggest window in order to attain the maximum happiness and success in life. Yes, if you want to know more about Johari window, let me know and I will make a video on that. But for now, here I present my vision board to you all. Drum roll. Ta-da! Here is my vision board. Oh my god. This actually is you know I had to dare a lot in order to make this vision board. I know the most popping up thing that you can see right now is here me doing this, and this has been a dream for the longest time. From like past 3 years, I have gained so much weight. The maximum weight I've ever seen in my life on the weighing scale is what I've seen in the past 3 years. And trust me, in my life, I have always gained, never lost a pound when it comes to my body weight. So yes, that is definitely on my list from a long time, but here I have put it on my vision board just like this, so that this encourages me. But before we dive so much more into the vision board, let's discuss as to who should be making a vision board. See, there are a lot of disciplined people out there who get things simply done. They put their eye on it, they plan things, they write it down, and they just get it done. That is how they are able to easily be successful at tasks. Then, on the other hand, there are people like us, people like me, who are crazy, unreal dreamers, who are either too much or too less, as I mentioned in my previous video. So, yeah, a vision board is mandatorily for people like us who struggle to, make up to the daily routines, do the everyday tasks. Being an ADHD person, it becomes so tough at times to just wake up, brush your teeth, take a bath. And at times, if exam for example, it's delayed by 10, I will spend my whole day wondering and taking it as the most crucial task in my life, and I will not be able to move my body for anything else until I get this done. And this becomes so much heavy in my brain, even though it's not. But yes, but when I do it, I do with all my heart and soul. Here, similarly, with my vision board, it definitely took me a lot of time to make one, but finally here we are. And now, since I have made this vision board, let me give you a clear picture as to what each thing means. Definitely the body goals are pretty evident. My body is there, doing this. Let's hope by the end of 2026 I am there. And there's healthy eating. I will tell you everything related to the fitness goals that I've put here. The other beings who are living more in dreams than the reality. This is for you. The vision board is for you guys. And if you struggle to complete daily tasks, or you find it difficult to fall in a discipline, then definitely this is gonna be a kick, a motivation, an external motivation which hits directly internally. So definitely body, then healthy eating. You can see the jar of oats, and I really like oats this way, so I've put it specially like that. Then right behind my arm, left arm, you see right above it, there is 10,000 steps ka screenshot. The screenshot of 10,000 steps, yes, because that is going to remind me of my everyday thing that I have to do, and not only that I will achieve this body out of nowhere without having everyday things on my platter. So if I get to achieve this screenshot every day, it gives me a kick, not only for that body in the longer run, but this screenshot in itself, looking at it makes me feel like it's an achievement. Then there is a window, eating window. You see, it's a plate which has a food timing on it. So yes, 6 to 9 is the window, like evening 6 to morning 9. I am not gonna be having anything, skipping dinner, not necessarily skipping, but eating anything and everything before 6. Healthy eating that I want to do. So yes, this is also another daily task that I'm going to be doing in order to achieve that body. So what I'm trying to imply basically is that your vision board not necessarily has to have all your impractical, impossible right now sounding dreams, but also the everyday, because that is what is going to motivate you to eventually be successful, right? So yes, and where all do you put this? You have to put this on your mobile phone wallpaper, on your desktop, just like I have put on mine. So every time I see something or the other, it reminds me to get that kick straight, right? And then I will move on to other thing very close to my heart, my new initiative. I recently left my job like 2 months back, and I finally worked on my venture called YSGI. It's Young Speakers Guild of India. And this basically focuses on emotional, intelligently driven communication, confidence, and personality development in children aged 6 to 12 years old. So yes, I am manifesting my own office. As you can see, the first picture is of me sitting, and there's in the background the logo of YSGI, and the nameplate says founder YSGI Akanksha. So yes, that definitely motivates me like anything, that I cannot let go of my dream. Like ADHD, yes, I do it today, tomorrow, for 1 week maybe, I'm high on spirits, and then suddenly it's out of sight, out of mind. So that should not happen with this thing and this year and this time. So here I am putting it across. And you must be wondering, where the hell did I get these pictures from? Of course, Gemini. Any kind of AI in this world today must be giving wings to our vision board. Don't you feel that? If you want help related to any prompts and stuff, please let me know. And I created this whole thing on Canva. I took a blank canvas and then I made this whole thing. If you want any tips on that, I can definitely make a detailed video as to how I edited the whole stuff. Then me being the founder, now this is of course my eventual vision. What am I going to do every day to achieve this? There is, a woman handshaking with the other, you see. So this reminds me of meeting more and more people, conducting more and more meeting with the school principals, through which we will be basically aiming the parents, right? I will be providing a free workshop to parents on parenting through emotional intelligence, and through that we will be pitching our course. If they are interested, if they find it meaningful and insightful, they can join our course. So it's a free of cost thing, so I'm definitely adding some value one way or the other. So you see, in the top right, I am conducting this workshop. This is of course an imaginary picture. So this and the handshaking video reminds me of videos, and there's one more right on my hand, the right one, the muscle. So there's follow-up, because that is where I lack a lot. like anything. I lack a lot in there. So I have put this picture specially that not just conduct meetings, but definitely follow up, ask people what is going on, where the progress lies. Right now, next goal of mine is this, definitely this YouTube channel. Also, before that, YSGI is all online classes. So if you want more inquiry, please let me know. YSGI, I'm in there like bottom middle conducting the classes. That's not literally me, but there's an online class going on that maybe me or one of my team member is conducting that. So yes, that is also one of the everyday tasks that I'm going to be having in the future once I set this whole thing up. So another thing for YSGI, that is the whole team picture. It's in the middle on the right side. So I am standing there with the team. There's me with the logo behind. It's a boardroom of YSGI. So another manifestation of having a full-fledged YSGI office. Having good 5 batches working is what I'm aiming for. Now, other than that, dream is YouTube channel. So I know it is practically impossible to have a silver button in just 1 year, but this is one of the impossible dreams. You and your vision board must definitely have 1 or 2 impossible dreams. I'll show you my impossible dreams in here, though the body one also seems like impossible for me right now, because the number of times I've been told that I will not be able to do this ever. I have been told, try being normal first. You're talking about like this? Oh ho ho, make some realistic goals. Maybe you can try and reduce maybe 5 kgs or something like that. So I have been told enough number of times that I cannot do it, and this is the most unbelievable thing for me. I've set my mind that I will never be able to lose weight. As I told you, that never in my life have I done that. So that is definitely one impossible sounding dream to me right now. Another one is this silver button of YouTube. Now, what are the daily actionables on this is there's a video, upload a video screenshot from YouTube, so that it reminds me to every day go ahead and upload something or the other. It may be a short video, it may be a long format video, anything, but you have to upload, right? Then other thing that I have manifested is definitely making videos that I'm doing right now. Below this handshaking women of YSGI meetings, and below that I am making the videos. So that is another reminder that get up and you have to make videos. And this vision board in total also reminds me that I have a lot of things to choose from. Today I may be choosing one thing or the other, since I've left my job only for the freedom of being myself and being responsible for what I do and say. So yes, definitely this gives me an option. Okay, I open my vision board and I think, okay, which one do I choose to do today right now as my first priority? Yes. And then other than that, I want to highlight definitely having my car. This has been another long pending dream. This may not be very impossible to me right now, keeping in mind that I used to work. This would have been possible even then, but through this thing that I've started and I'm going to be doing in 2026, I want to have a car of my own through these earnings. So that is a different kind of goal that I'm aiming to. And another goal is saving money. That becomes really tough for me. Maybe ADHD, or I don't know what flaw exactly triggers unnecessary impulsive spending in me. There have been times when I'm literally fighting my white angel to my black angel that no, I don't have to purchase this. It's unnecessary. It's not required. Akanksha, you're not eventually going to use this item. But the other one is like, go for it. Go for it. Do it. Don't listen to anything. Go for it. Just go for it. And I just hand over my card and regret. Not instantly regret. Maybe for 15-20 minutes I get happy, and maybe after 15-20 minutes I forget that I bought something like that. Yeah, that is what my life story is all about. So saving money is another important aspect of my life that I'm aiming for. Then you see there's paid. So I'm aiming for my first ever foreign vacation, which I randomly asked my husband, if given a chance, which will be the first country you'd want to visit. So yeah, Spain it is. Let's hope for the best. Let's keep fingers crossed. And that is why I put the Emirates flight on it. And I also want to fly more and more for other places, for maybe business purpose or just leisure. But I love to travel. Then in the middle, right there above the coat, there is my cute little family. There's my husband and there's my Q2 son, and he's just 3 years old. And I want to remind me that every day I'm living for them and their happiness matters the most to me, and definitely it does. Now, the impossible dream, it actually sounds impossible to even speak. I'm shivering while speaking. I have goosebumps literally, but that right in the corner, this corner left, the small car you see, it's a Range Rover Autobiography. This was the first ever car that I literally fell for. I am not that much into material. As I told you, that I buy stuff and I forget about it. It's just that impulse in me for the moment that I enjoy. But other than that, I'm not really worried or very, caring or dream about material stuff. But this is baby dream. This is a Range Rover Autobiography, and I am not sure when exactly will I be able to achieve this, but surely, certainly, gradually we will reach there. Guys, you tell me, do you have an impossible, scary dream that that scares the hell out of you? So definitely this one's mine. This comes of course after a house and everything, but definitely one day, once I get this, I'm gonna be on top of the world. If you have anything like that, just let me know, and let's ensure that we are in this together and we achieve something like this. I am trying to here build a community that just doesn't stay connected with me but also grows along with me, and with your blessings and with your good wishes, I hope to grow as well. Did I miss out on any picture? I think I've covered pretty much all of them. So yeah, that was my vision board. How you can create a vision board, let's talk about in simple manners. First of all, make a list. I made 3 lists. So number 1 was my impossible to believe dreams. So there could be 2 or 3 of them. Then I went on to making my realistic possible goals that are there, that I want to achieve this, I want to do this monetarily. Then in order to achieve these both, what are the everyday tasks that I'm going to be doing? So the list of doing everyday tasks can be endless. That's not a problem. Once you figured that out, look at how you can convert each one of them into pictures. It's very easy. You just go, majority of the times, just Google stuff and you'll get the pictures. So for example, skipping dinner, I did not really find. I thought maybe I'll write a dinner and put a cross over it, but it was a very silly idea. I went to Google and I searched for it, and I got this perfect clock picture of the meal. So yes, something like that you can definitely get, because it's not for any public use, it's for your personal use. You can take the licensed pictures also, because it's only gonna stay to your mobile phone. So you can take pictures that are available to use. And Pinterest is one source, definitely. Other than that, the dreams that you hold the closest to your heart, or that you can envision right now, just like that, go to Gemini, upload your picture, give a reference picture, ask it to merge, or maybe just give it the details. So for example, for the YSGI one, I uploaded my picture, I uploaded YSGI logo, and I asked Gemini to create an office looking something like this. So Gemini did that for me, and now that has made my vision board much more believable and realistic. And people may even confuse that I already have these pictures of mine. So of course, we all have used Gemini to create your retro Bollywood looks and upload them on Instagram. This is the time you actually make your dreams fly high using AI. So, yes, and take Canva. Once you've decided your list of all the things that you're going to be doing, attach one picture to it. Just figure out pictures and put them on one blank canvas. Then begin to arrange them. Some of you might simply like a structure like lines, and then in between there could be a quote. For example, in mine was, "You are infinite, so are the possibilities," because I totally feel that. I do believe that there are infinite possibilities. Then take the canvas, put all the pictures. You can take directly available templates on Canva, or you can maybe go to PPT and stuff and put those pictures however you like. You can give them a little shadow, you can maybe give them a frame or anything like that. If you want me to get into the technical details of it, I can surely make video over that, but for now I think this does work wonder. Do let me know, how do you feel about my vision board? Did you like it, and how much of it do you think doesn't really make any sense? I'm all open, all hearts to listen to whatever you guys have to say. And as I already mentioned, that we are here not to just talk, but actually grow together hand in hand. And yes, I have all my hugs for you. Take care. Bye bye.